Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Bosch GAS 35 is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any professional workshop or serious DIYer's arsenal, designed to keep your workspace impeccably clean and your air safe by efficiently capturing dust and debris generated during various tasks, from woodworking to construction, ensuring a healthier and more productive environment. Number 5. Oneida Air Systems 2.5 Deluxe 5-gallon Cyclone Separator Kit. This Cyclone Separator Kit uses centrifugal force to capture and remove 99% of dust and debris. Its neutral vane technology further improves separation efficiency by 20%. The kit includes everything you need: the separator, a 5-gallon bucket with a lid, caster wheels, a vacuum hose with swivel cuffs, and more. It also features onboard accessory storage for convenience. It works with nearly any type of material, from drywall dust and wood to pet hair and metal shavings. This makes it great for use in construction, at home, and in various other settings. By capturing dust before it reaches your vacuum's filter, it prolongs filter life and eliminates clogs and suction loss. This significantly reduces the need for cleanings and replacements, saving you time and money. It upgrades any make, size, or model of shop vacuum with 2.5-inch hose fittings. The collapse-proof, heavy-duty bucket is portable with free-rotating casters for easy maneuverability. What we like. This Cyclone Separator Kit captures an impressive 99% of dust and debris before it reaches your vacuum's filter. It significantly extends the life of your filters, saving you money and reducing maintenance. If you're looking for a way to drastically improve your shop vacuum's performance and longevity, especially when dealing with fine dust like drywall or wood, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It separates cyclonically and collects in the bucket. I just finished cutting sheet material from plywood. 8 sheets of plywood cut to make 30 drawers, on poplar runners and 3 4-inch carcass. Drawers are 4-inch-8 and cabinet is 6 feet by 7 feet. From the cutting to size all of the 240 parts going into this project, I collected one 5-gallon bucket of sawdust to the top, and maybe a 5% filled dust bag in the shop vac. The product claimed to remove 99% of the dust before it got to my shop vac. I've been using it and 99% would seem to be possibly conservative. I am getting almost no dust through to the bin or filter in my shop vac. Even extremely fine dust stays in the bucket. I love the design and the increased suction power because it keeps my filters clean. The product seems to be made durably. Number 4. Bosch HDC 250 SDS-Max Hammer Dust Collection. Introducing the Bosch HDC 250 SDS-Max Hammer Dust Collection Attachment. This innovative tool is designed to keep your workspace clean and safe. It features dual air chambers that work together to collect dust during operation. These chambers also provide suction to keep it firmly attached to the wall. The dust port is designed to fit a 1 to 3/8-inch vacuum nozzle. It also includes adapters to convert for use with 1 to 1/4-inch and 2-inch hose nozzles. A replaceable brush ring ensures a proper seal for multiple bit diameters. This adaptability makes it suitable for a wide range of drilling tasks. The integrated rubber seal maintains consistent suction against the wall. This ensures it stays in place, providing reliable dust collection. It is optimized for drilling diameters between 1 to 1/2 inches and 5 inches. For larger holes up to 6 inches, simply remove the brush ring. What we like. This attachment features dual air chambers for effective dust collection and wall suction, ensuring a cleaner work environment. Its replaceable brush ring provides a seal for various bit diameters, making it versatile. If you are performing large diameter drilling tasks, from 1 to 1/2 to 6 inches, and need robust dust control, this is the attachment for you. What people say. It captures dust right at the source, keeping the work area much cleaner and improving visibility while drilling. The build quality is solid and durable, just what you'd expect from Bosch. This makes a great job of cutting pot-light holes in drywall ceilings with large hole saws. Almost all dust is captured and unit stays affixed to ceiling while cutting till you turn off the vacuum, which makes the job a solo man job if needed. Number 3. Bosch HDC 200 SDS-Max Hammer Dust Collection Attachment. Introducing the Bosch HDC 200 SDS-Max Hammer Dust Collection Attachment. It's designed to keep your work area clean by collecting dust as you drill. Featuring dual air chambers, this attachment not only collects dust but also provides suction to the wall for stability. The dust port easily fits a Bosch 1 to 3/8-inch vacuum nozzle and can be converted for use with 1 to 1/4-inch or 2-inch hose nozzles. A replaceable brush ring ensures a proper seal for various bit diameters, maintaining efficient dust collection. The integrated rubber seal maintains strong suction to the wall, preventing movement during operation. It's optimized for drilling diameters between 5/8-inch and 1 to 3/8 inches. You can even accommodate larger diameters up to 2 to 1/2 inches by removing the brush ring. What we like. Designed with dual air chambers, this attachment effectively collects dust and maintains suction against the wall. The replaceable brush ring ensures a good seal for different bit sizes, offering flexibility. If your work primarily involves drilling smaller to medium-sized holes, from 5/8-inch up to 2 to 1/2 inches, and you prioritize clean drilling, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Whether using it on a wall or on the floor, it produces enough vacuum to hold itself in place. It does a phenomenal job getting the dust while having zero airflow issues with my Dustless Tech Concrete Dust Vac. This at-point dust capture works as stated, even when the dust vac is getting near capacity. Number 2. Bosch GDE18V 26DB15 SDS-plus Bulldog Mobile Dust Extractor Kit. Introducing the Bosch GDE18V 26DB15, a mobile dust extractor designed for maximum portability. It's built to work seamlessly with the Bosch cordless GBH18V 26D Bulldog hammer. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this tool helps you comply with OSHA silicate dust regulations. Move towards a safer worksite with this essential feature. Experience next-generation power and extended runtime with the included Core 18V battery. It offers an optimized performance-to-weight ratio, delivering power without the bulk. Featuring 2 dust eyes and a 4-inch extension, it's available in 5/8-inch and 1-inch sizes. This allows for compatibility with bits ranging from 5/32-inch to 1 inch in diameter and up to 10 inches in length. The aluminum guide rail ensures smooth retraction of the dust eye during drilling. This provides a more efficient and user-friendly drilling experience. Its dust container holds enough capacity for up to 20 holes when using a 1/2-inch diameter bit for 2-inch deep concrete drilling. This means less frequent emptying and more continuous work. This extractor is designed for broad compatibility, fitting various Bosch 2 kg D-handle hammers. It works with the 1-inch 18V GBH18V 26D cordless Bulldog, the 1-inch 11255 VSR corded Bulldog, and the 1 to 1/8-inch GBH2-28L and RH228BC corded models. What we like. This mobile dust extractor kit offers maximum mobility and is designed for use with compatible Bosch cordless hammers. It features a HEPA filter to help you meet OSHA silicate dust regulations. If you value cordless freedom, need to comply with dust regulations, and are looking for a lightweight yet powerful solution for drilling in concrete, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The Bosch GAS 35M AFC dust extractor has an automatic filter cleaning system. It features a large 35-liter container capacity, providing ample space for dust and debris. The extractor is equipped with 4 swivel casters for easy maneuverability around the workspace. Number 1. Bosch HDC 300 SDS-Max Hammer Dust Collection Attachment. This attachment is designed to focus air suction from your vacuum around the chisel, ensuring maximum dust collection in your work. Featuring a unique ski boot-style clamping band, it offers simple installation and adjustment onto the hammer tube. An adjustable metal extension arm allows for easy positioning around the chisel and accommodates various chisel lengths. It comes with a 3-piece adapter set, enabling installation on different size hammers for greater versatility. The 1 to 3/8-inch dust port is designed to fit Bosch dust extractor vacuum nozzles, ensuring seamless integration with your existing tools. What we like. This dust collection shroud is specifically designed for chiseling applications, focusing suction around the tool for maximum dust capture. Its unique clamping band allows for easy installation and adjustment on various hammer tubes. If you frequently engage in chiseling tasks and need a reliable, adjustable attachment to keep your work area clean, this is the product you should consider. What people say. It really works very well when hooked up to my Festool CT48 or CT26, no dust at all when using hammer function to remove floor tile and thin set, from concrete floor. Solid grip from clamp, doesn't interfere with the work, stays on the tool, and with a good vacuum it pulls dust well. Came with adapters and a chart for Bosch tools. This attachment significantly reduced the amount of dust in the air as I removed a ceramic tile floor. I used a shop vac equipped with a HEPA filter for dust collection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.